For decades, Intel powered almost every computer on Earth. But today, investors are asking a very different question. Is Intel stock making a historic comeback, or has it permanently lost its edge to rivals like AMD, Nvidia, and Apple? Let's break down Intel's future, and whether INTC is a real opportunity or a risky bet. What is Intel today? Intel is one of the world's largest semiconductor companies, designing and manufacturing chips used in PCs and laptops, data centers, cloud infrastructure, industrial and enterprise systems. Unlike many competitors, Intel does both: chip design, chip manufacturing. That vertical integration is either Intel's greatest strength or its biggest challenge. What went wrong? For years, Intel dominated the CPU market. But then, manufacturing delays piled up. Smaller, faster rivals caught up. Apple abandoned Intel chips. AMD gained massive market share. At the same time, Nvidia surged ahead in AI and data center acceleration. Intel went from industry leader to playing defense. The turnaround plan, Intel isn't standing still. Under new leadership, the company launched a bold strategy. Manufacturing reset, massive investments in advanced fabs, new US and European chip plants, foundry, business manufacturing chips for other companies, competing with TSMC and Samsung AI and data center, pushed new AI accelerators, next-gen CPUs for enterprise workloads. This isn't a short-term fix. It's a multi-year transformation. Financial reality and risk. Here's where investors must be cautious. Heavy capital spending. Intel is spending tens of billions to rebuild manufacturing. Thin margins, turnarounds hurt profits before they help. Execution risk. Falling behind in chip technology again would be devastating. Intense competition, AMD, Nvidia, TSMC, Apple, none are slowing down. Intel's future depends on perfect execution. Bull case versus bear case. Bull case, US chip independence becomes a priority. Foundry business gains customers, AI and data center demand rebounds. Intel regains technology leadership. Bear case. Manufacturing delays continue. AI market remains dominated by Nvidia. Profitability stays weak. Shareholder patience runs out. Intel is a high-risk, high-reward turnaround story. Should you invest? Intel stock is not for everyone. It's best suited for long-term investors, turnaround believers, those willing to tolerate volatility. This is not a momentum stock. It's a patience play on the future of US semiconductors. So what do you think? Can Intel reclaim its dominance, or has the chip war already been decided? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into tech and investing.